What time is it?
It's fishing time, boys and girls. Fish 30.
This is pure Michigan right here with Fishigan Dave. We're gonna slay the white bass.
All right.
Just watch us.
A couple walleye too.
And we're gonna throw a couple walleye in the pan. You'll see it. It'll be great. Let's go.
See how your subscribers, what your subscribers think of that.
Subscribers, stay safe. Stay alone. Catch white bass. Where's it?
That boat.
Oh, it's full. Go ahead. We got Captain Matt. Captain Matt. Go get you some. Gotta have a captain.
Yeah.
They're everywhere.
One.
They're everywhere to your left, boys. Everywhere. Cast.
Oh shit. Ow. That hurt.
You anchor?
Here, open your light bulb.
Maybe.
Okay, I'm gonna leave this.
They're all over here now.
They're all to your left there.
God, this fucking nuts.
You cannot not catch them.
That handle, but like the handles.
Got another.
They'll be every camp.
Oh, that wasn't. I was looking. That wasn't even the one I thought I did.
Whoa.
Just stay right here. They're everywhere. They're on the whole boat. We're like stepping in. Not catching.
You need to calm down. Why does my fucking...
Got one. They're everywhere. They're everywhere, boys and girls at home. You gotta tighten.
I do.
The small ones are going back already. This guy's going back. Look at these guys.
Are we all on a fish? All three.
You can't throw and not get one almost.
Where do we have the camera angle?
Oh, we went from 5 to 20 in about 2 seconds.
Oh yeah.
Another one?
Look at Noah be on the net, boys and girls. He ain't scared. You want some? Get some. If you're scared, go to St. Joe. Don't fish like this.
Oh,
that's a good one.
That's a what?
That's a fat one.
Oh no, I'm not. Boys and girls at home. Got Noah with one on. You got Matt with one on. Look at this. This is Fishigan Day, Michigan. We ready to get about 20 in about 2 seconds. Noah's even catching him. He's not snagging the ground anymore. We love it. We got BB guns over there. Arms are looking a little scrawny. He's tangled up. A bug just bothered his ear. He can't handle the bugs. Don't even think about the bugs. Think about the fish, boys. We're gonna do Noah on a cast here. We're gonna get Noah on a cast. We gotta get a hook set. This ain't no St. Joe's fishing trip, boys and girls. They don't bite like this at St. Joe's. Turns are popping up, and look at the turn just got a minnow. We got that here. Noah's back on one. Look at Noah's on the school. Look at it. Throw it back out there, son. Got him on there. Fishigan Day, Michigan. Got Noah out here. I told him we're gonna get him. They're worried about a little fly. I don't even feel the flies right now. And Noah's just, look at him. He's scrawny. He better work. My son better work out with the weights a little harder. A little bug's gonna bother him. Look at him jumping over there. He's got another one. Look at him every cast. Noah's on this massive school of white bass. Oh yeah. This is how, that's a small one. Let that one go. Look at him over there. Look at him. We can't keep 100 fish. Look at him over there.
You know it can turn very quick, so.
We already have enough. I did not send them on a goose chase, boys and girls. This is what fishing's about. I knew you fishing brought that big huge. Cool.
You want it? Yeah. This one is.
That one we can throw back.
Thick.
Yeah.
All ultralight. Boys and girls.
Should I go top water or spoon?
Both are the same. I get them on every cast with the top water. Ooh! On the ultralight. Look at this, Noah. You gotta get one on the ultralight. They fight 3 times, so they fight like a salmon. Look at that. Watch your line. Look at it. It's an ultralight. Bluegill rod. Chatterbait. 1 hook. Is this better than sitting on a dock with 400 people though? Look how many of them are over there. It's got one. It's every cast. Look at, like we need to keep every one. Look at this, like. This is sick. Boys and girls at home. Boys and girls at home, have you seen this? This is Fishigan Day, Michigan. We got Noah, we got Petey.
That's a fat one.
That's a good one.
I got it. It's just.
There's one. Every cast, they love this lure. I think we have enough in a while. Got like 30 of them.
Yeah, I'm gonna be done here soon.
Just keep fishing for them. It's like you're in the ocean fishing. Oh, you want to try this ultralight?
Yeah, I'll try that one out.
There's one. They're everywhere on this side. Throw this way, Noah. They're that way too. You gotta let it sink down a little bit in the water.
Oh my God. God.
There's more this week than last week. Just gonna put water in every 5
Got
minutes and then fill it up when we go. We're gonna rush as fast as we can to the.
I got one.
He doesn't know if he has one.
Yeah, I
yet.
do. It actually didn't
why?
feel like it.
Ice melts. An hour, ice is gone.
That was a negative of fight for me.
Did you get one on that?
Yeah, it wasn't a very good fight. Give me a better fight. You want to use this one again?
In a minute.
Huh?
In a minute. Not ready yet.
Yeah, just get.
Did I tell you it's gonna be the best ever, man? I didn't lie.
Oh, that's keep him.
It's almost. Yeah, it's back to.
That's so much more fun, the ultralight.
It's pretty much back to
Keep-
where you can just
Keep that one.
cast. Well,
You just
David.
throwing them out.
That was a good one.
They're all good. Look at them. There's like 10 following them. Maybe 20. I should pick up. Throw this way, Brad.
Huh? They're both.
Look at this. Look at the
Man.
size of this
Oh
one.
my God.
Fish on. Fishigan, Dave, Michigan. There's like 10 following them. Look how big they are. Look at the size of this one. This one's going in the bottom.
Oh wow, that's pretty big.
Following the one I got.
Yeah, there'll be like 10 following them if you got Polaroid. Don't pull harder than the reel's reeling there, Brad. Let the little ultralight do its job. Get him out there with that ultra. Come on.
Let's go. That's a keeper.
Yeah, that's
We got too many.
that one, Dad.
There you go.
Can you see him hit the bait?
Yeah, it's so you mind? What is going on? What is going on? What? Is this rod moving?
What? What'd you do to my rod?
Nothing.
Did you lose that line?
No.
I gotta keep an eye on Brad.
Oh, get out. I got it.
There you go. You get a top water one? Top water's the best.
He was like falling up the whole
You
time.
need a top water with one hook in it, don't you know?
Yeah, it's not.
That's what I was trying to find.
Oh,
like
Brad
yesterday.
just barely hooked that
Could you
one.
just take that?
Oh,
What?
Oh, look at this.
You know what you could do? We gotta get Noah back on. Look at BB Guns. Do we get on him or what today, BB Guns? What do you think? Hey. This is the live well. We're gonna save some, we're gonna make them up tomorrow too. Megster can hear some. He's done, son?
I'm done.
Throw the ultralight. There's a one hook. It's very easy to get off. Throw it out. Get it off there, son. Come on, stop being scrawny. We finally get you on fish, not like St. Joe's.
There was what I reeled in. There's one following it up.
I wonder if they run in St. Joe's like this.
Yeah,
Did you ever hear of white bass run down the river like this?
I have.
Get one, son. Get one. Give me a hook set. Nothing? Nothing.
Oh, yeah, get this. There's one following it.
Got one following it. You gotta twitch it,
there
twitch
he
it,
is.
twitch it, twitch it, twitch it.
There he is, there he is. Come on. Oh.
They're all on this side now.
Got him.
Got him, got him. BB Guns has got him. Fishigan Day, Michigan got BB Guns. He's got him.
Hey.
He's got him in the boat.
Hey,
Bam.
you.
What'd
Hey,
you do?
you.
It's a small one, but he got one. Throw it on this way now.
I should probably throw him
Dave.
back in.
Bring the camera
Throw
over.
him in.
Hey, you, Fishigan Dave fans. Watch this.
Watch this, Fishigan Day fans out there. Look at this. Look at him. Look at him on the surface out there, boys
Following
and
my
girls.
shot like Babe Ruth.
Yeah, this is a...
Look at his scrawny arms. Got a big one.
Oh,
Yeah, buddy.
That's a fat mama.
Michigan Day, Michigan. What happened here?
This fucking rod. No, it's still on there.
He got one.
It's still there.
No, they just keep coming up.
it's
There's like
two.
30 of them
It's
over there.
literally two.
You're on the wrong side, no. Get on this side.
such
Look
a
at BB Gun. I told him it was going to be high intensity, high action, and all day it's been high intensity.
Oh, I got it.
No, you got one right on you, right there. Look, what is that fish doing? He's eating something. Throw it at him. He's going after that. Your bait. Throw your bait after.
My bait's over here.
Hey, Fishigan Dave fans.
Look
Hey,
at
look
that.
at this. Watch this.
That's this.
Hey. Hey,
Watch.
watch.
That away. That away.
Call my shot. again.
Michigan Day, Michigan.
This one's pretty good.
This is
Here, Matt.
the holiday weekend. Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, right at the
Hold one
ball.
up. Hold
Right
one
at the
up.
ball.
Hold it up.
Right at the
Hold it
ball.
up.
Oh, shit.
You catch them and you're not holding them up. Come on.
Well, we'll get a picture.
Woo! We're gonna get plenty of pictures. Woo, doggy. That's a small guy. Let that bad
Yeah,
boy go. Come on, Noah. Get that big dog on there. Did you get one, Noah? Oh, Noah's got one on the ultralight. The ultralight's the best. Look at him go. Look at him fighting on the ultralight. Freaking guns popping out everywhere. Phew. Look at it, underwater action. I got the fight right next to the boat, boys and girls.
Oh my gosh, it's so easy.
I'm surprised that they stay.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, I'm gonna
Hold it
fight.
up,
I'm
son.
gonna-
Hold it up for the picture. You're not good.
Gotta fight. We got one.
Here, hold
Okay.
it up. Hold it up. Look at this way. Bam.
Back here.
Woo! This is every second, every
Oh, I
cast.
side hooked them.
You taking a break?
Yep.
Fishigan Dave, Michigan's gonna throw on a few. Oh yeah. Are they ever cast this way? Let me get up here and throw. No, it's throwing it. Are you catching them? Am I gonna catch one on there?
Catching so many, no one needs to take a break.
It literally, this is the.
Oh.
Every cast. Look at this, boys and girls. Got the ultralight going over BB guns.
Where's the pliers?
Oh, right under you.
Huh?
Right under you.
Oh man, they fight so good on this. Look at it. Look at them go around. Oh yeah. Fight them out.
This is the only fishing where you can get bored of catching fish.
We got some pike.
Yeah. Alright, watch this. This is a guaranteed catch right here.
1, 2, 3.
I'll bet you 20 bucks.
throw the top water
20
yet?
bucks. I catch a
Did you
fish.
throw a top water yet?
Oh, dude, look at
I'm throwing a baby.
This is guaranteed. Look
A
at all.
what?
Look at all the fish.
And are they killing it?
Oh, motherfucker. Got him.
We got them.
No one's
right.
right.
What?
You're like, oh,
Yeah,
it's
I
not
can like mess up.
Boom.
And
What else
oh,
we got
I
on,
lost him.
man?
I lost him.
1, 2, 3.
Damn.
1, 2. Oh,
It's
my
not too
God.
late. I'm gonna keep him. I
It's
bet.
too easy.
Yeah.
How many
Oh,
caught
there's
so
a,
far?
there's a,
Is it?
30
Yeah.
each,
Wait,
40 each? Come on, man.
Is he still there?
no.
Every kid.
Damn.
Ah,
Such a
boy.
joke. It's
Can
literally.
we fish for a walleye or something?
We will in like 5 minutes.
I finally get them on fish and they want to
Yeah.
quit fishing for 'em.
Yeah.
Man.
Dude.
Ooh, they cooking it. It's freaking. There he is. If you miss one, just slow it down.
Oh, there's another one right behind.
I
him.
got one. Look at this.
yeah.
Look at this.
Wait, are we
Look at that.
triple?
Go for
Hey,
it.
hey, everyone bring it. Everyone
Triple.
bring their fish in
Triple. Woo.
No,
Triple.
get your full out. We need a
Triple.
Let's get that.
Oh,
that quad, boy.
This one's small.
boys and girls at home, Fishigan Dave, Michigan did put them on the bite
Call
after
your
all.
mom.
Woo.
There's enough fish for that.
Oh, yeah.
And hey, get this. Bring that over here.
Bring
Look
it
at
over
that.
here.
Inhaled it.
Oh, that's
Yeah. They always
Try getting it out of there. Now you gotta spend 15 minutes because you don't want to keep that.
Well, that's just-
Keep that one, man.
All right, let's see how many casts. All right, here we go. Let's see how many casts in a row we can go catching a fish. So we got 1, 2. Here we go. Here's
If
3.
it's bleeding real bad, let it put it in the tank.
We gotta keep the streak going.
You get, if you slow down, you get 50 fish per cast.
Yeah. Oh, okay, there's 3.
There's
All right, there's 4. We got 4.
Sorry, buddy.
Don't mess the streak up, man.
Is that live well staying full?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, look at this. Watch this.
Look at this
Wait,
one.
this
Look
is
at
number
one.
5.
Look at this toad. Ultralight. Noah's gonna get back on the ultra.
Swamp
Look at that. Look at he's taking off drag, boys and girls. We're gonna talk back. Look at there's one following it. It's like you can't not catch him. Look at the fat on it. We have got
Man,
fish.
they're hungry.
Here, Noah, get a cast right in there.
I don't like
Here.
that one.
Noah, get a cast right over there. All you gotta do is slow reel it. You can't not get hit. I think we're at 10 in a row. Look, we got Matt there. Matt said this is terrible what we're doing here.
Oh.
Come on, son. Take your time.
I just let that one go. All
There's-
right, wait, did we lose our streak or we?
No, we're at 12 or 13.
Wait, what?
12 or 13 in a
Not
row.
Since when I started.
Yeah,
I had to start it on camera live.
we did it. 12 or 13. It's like every cast. I get 3 per cast.
Yeah, true.
You want this? You want this?
Is that fun or what? What a day. What is it, about 9, 8?
Perfect fish.
Yeah, something like
It's 8-12.
8, 12. We got 100 fish each. Phew.
I got poked with a mother.
Oh, you're scrawny. Don't be
Yeah,
talking
the
scrawny
fin.
stuff.
The fin
I know the
right
fins are
here.
good. In your hand? Oh, is he alive? Let's see, where is it? We could rush him in. We could rush.
Yeah.
Nope. Nope. Too much COVID out there. Rush him in. We got footage. We got Fishigan Day in Michigan. We got Memorial Day weekend. And we're going to have a dinner in the afternoon. And it's 8 o'clock in the morning. We got at least 2 more hours of fishing left. Dave needs a drink of water.
I want to see what they look like on the graph. I don't even know if I picked them up on the graph because it's
The whole graph's full of them.
I don't know. Like look at it. Hey,
What?
are those the white bass?
Are they good?
Solid black line.
It ran out, didn't it? I think. No, it didn't ran out. Hey, I'm Dave Clogy. You see these guys here? They're walleye fishing. We caught like 40 we caught, I don't know, 100 white bass, 150. And they wanted to try a little walleye fishing. Walleye fishing's for bitches. I'm a bass angler. I'm just chilling out here, hoping to catch one for dinner. Go get you some.